Moving on, the coal allocation reviews by the IMG continue in the capital, but on the ground, at the site of coal mines, are stories of neglect and despair. Neglect that is both the responsibility of the centre and the state. NDTV's Shutapa Dev travels to Jharia in Jharkhand, where 80,000 families face disease and death as the rehabilitation plan remains elusive 9 years on.
This is surreal. We are 6 kilometers from Dhanbad at Boka Pahari. There's a raging coal fire underneath the ground I'm standing on. And there are 150 families who continue to live right next to the coal fire. The heavy downpour is showing no signs of letting up, creating what seems like a vision of hellfires. Giant plumes of noxious smoke rise from the earth as the rain, through pits and cracks, comes into contact with burning coal underground. The coal company BCCL has dug trenches to stop the spread of the fire, but clearly it is not enough. The fire turns the coal seams into ash, forming voids underground. Illegal mining and underground fires make the threat of land subsidence a real one for communities living in and around the Jharia coal fields.
प्रॉब्लम तो आप देख ही रहे हैं कि बगल में आग निकल रहा, जहाँ तहाँ धंस रहा, लोग बीमारी से मर रहा और गैस से मर रहा। ये समाधान लेके बहुत जगह हम लोग गए, लेकिन इसका कोई सुनवाई नहीं।
About 300 families from this village accepted the government's resettlement package a year ago. But 150 families are holding out, unhappy with the resettlement site Belgaria, which is 12 kilometers from Dhanbad.
वहाँ जाके हम लोग करेंगे क्या? वहाँ ना रोजी रोटी, मान लीजिए बेंडिंग तो हम लोग खाएंगे ना, खाने के लिए हम लोग को जो है रोजगार के लिए तो हम लोग को टाउनशिप धनबाद ही आना होगा या झरिया आना होगा।
The number of people who have to be resettled has crossed 80,000 families, roughly 4 lakh people. And the numbers continue to increase. The irony is more people are actually moving into the danger zone. To prevent this, empty houses of people who have been relocated are demolished. When it is not like the one-room tenements here, it invites squatters. Most of them poor people who survive by coal scavenging. There are few options. Open cast mining has turned fertile land into waste. The reality is that the local tribal population have not gained from Jharkhand's reserves of mineral wealth.
हम लोग से चोरी मजबूरी में नहीं कर रहे हैं, न आज ये 3 खेप लाते हैं, उसमें से 100 रुपया होता है। आज वो आमदनी से हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, आए हम 12 में पढ़ रहे हैं। यहाँ के विधायक न गरीब और जनता पर ध्यान देता है, तो जनता लोग क्या करे।
In 2003, a comprehensive rehabilitation plan for those living in the fire-affected areas was proposed. 9 years on, the only sign of rehabilitation is the pilot project of Belgaria, where 1,133 families from fire-ravaged areas of Jharia have been shifted. It is a test case for both BCCL and the Jharia Rehabilitation Development Authority, or JRDA, set up by the state government in 2004. Its success would persuade other families to follow and pave the way for implementation of the master plan. So why do some prefer fire and fumes to Belgaria?
यहाँ परेशानी यही है कि हम लोग को रोजगार नहीं, बेरोजगार है, हम लोग को भी रोजगार नहीं मिला है।
2-3 दिन से पानी एक पैसा का भी कुछ रोजगार नहीं है, तभी भूखे मर रहे कि कोई आन के साथ दे रहे।
ITI का ट्रेनिंग जो लोग बेरोजगार है ना, उनकी ITI की
किसी को नहीं कुछ हुआ।
ITI के एक बार एडमिशन करके सब झूठों का आश्वासन देकर के होगा नहीं हुआ।
The residents say they have no hospital, school, temple and mosque.
सरकार अभी हो गया या कंपनी कोल इंडिया हो गया एक बिजनेसमैन कंसर्न, वो आम आदमी का भलाई नहीं चाहता है, वो अपना प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस को देख रहा है।
BCCL and JRDA are partners in the 8,000 crore rupee effort to relocate people from the fire-affected areas. The coal company claims its plans are on track, but is not so sure about JRDA. The charges and countercharges is another sign that both JRDA and BCCL are not making serious efforts to implement the rehabilitation plan quickly to ensure the livelihood and safety of people who are living dangerously.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.